Right, here I am on a cold winter day collecting my compost. You can see the trees behind me. Yeah, those are the trees behind me. One of the things I don't like so much about winter is the fact that it gets dark very quickly, and it's just about 2:30 here. It's not even 3 o'clock yet. It's already getting dark. So but I was determined today to get these brown leaves for my compost. So yes, so this is one of the things you can do to prepare your garden for next planting season in the spring. So I'm determined to get some of these brown leaves, but fortunately I don't have any tree in my garden that produce brown leaves, so I just want to get this brown essential part of the nutrients for my compost. Here we are. I've gathered quite a sizable quantity, so I'm going to bag it up now and take it to my garden to add to my compost. Right, the garden is looking pretty miserable, if I can allowed to use that word. It's winter. The snow has just melted, so this is the tomato plants that are remaining and the stakes. So I'm going to try and tidy that up and add whatever is left of the stems to the compost. And we don't really have much left. There are a few things in the greenhouse. I will show you. I will cover that one in another video. So that's the strawberry plant. I think I'm going to have to tidy that up so that they can just rest for the winter and be ready to do their job again in the summer or spring. Right, today's job is we're working on the compost bin today. That's our compost bin. When I got it, I didn't really have enough time to unbox it. I just needed to set it up quickly. So that's the compost bin. It's the first season I'm using it. So, right, that's how far we've gone with the compost. It's almost like nearly halfway full. So but today I just want to turn it around. I mean, just stir it up a bit, mix it up, and add some of the brown leaves I've just gone to the park to collect. So that's the job for today. You can see everything is pretty quiet in there because of the cold weather. Everything has slowed down. So then we're going to do our best to make sure that we have some compost come spring. So I'll just put the lid back. Then I'm going to use this space to create a pie so that I can start a new one in the compost bin. So let's get to work. Right, these are all my stuff. So I've got the leaves already picked up, you guys saw when I was gathering them, and these are the other stuff that have my tomato branches and the strawberry stuff that I have trimmed off. And I have now prepared the soil, and that is the stuff that has been in the compost bin so far. You can see the pie there with all the brown papers and other things. So not a lot has been going on because of the cold weather. So I'm just going to mix it all up now with this space I have dug off here, so that at least when I was digging them up I saw some worms, earthworms and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to mix it up here now, then you will see what I'll do after, so I can start the new pie and put the compost bin back again and start the new pie. I really have to hurry up to do this. I wanted to make sure I do this job today. So have moved all the pie from there. It's only 4 p.m. here, but it's getting dark already, so I just had to hurry up. So I've moved the pie from there to this end now. So you can see I'm out of breath. I've just been digging and rushing to get it all done. So yeah, I'm going to put the compost bin back where the spade is, or that digger is. So I'm going to move the compost bin back in the original place, then so that I can start the new compost here. So this I'm going to cover up so it can start doing its job, but maybe in a couple of weeks time then I will mix it all up again. So that's where we are, and we still have some of this goody brown leaf that's collected. So I'm going to put some in this pile and use some in the new compost pile. Right, that's my heap. I'm quite pleased with what I've done. It's quite a sizable heap. So all I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cover that up. It's getting pretty dark here. It's just about 4:15 now, 4 p.m. but it's already pretty dark here. So I'm going to cover this up because obviously for the compost to work, for it to decompose quicker, it needs warmth. And here is my new heap.